Today we will talk about the instrument which we use for blood pressure. There are different instruments by which we can use for the checking the blood pressure. One is Mercury BP apparatus, or it is also called as sphygmomanometer. Firstly, we will learn different parts of this Mercury sphygmomanometer. Simply, it is a metallic box. Inside, on the lid, on the top of the lid of the box, there is a scale, graduated scale. On the one side it has a higher graduation, that is up to 300, and lower graduation, that is up to 290. So whole scale is called as manometer. Within the manometer there is a glass tubing, or inside the glass tubing there is mercury at the lower end. And this mercury tubing is connected to the mercury tank or mercury reservoir, we will call it as. The lowest graduation of the systolic blood pressure, that is starting from 0 to up to 300, and diastolic 10 to 290. At the reservoir tank, here we can see on off knob. This one is on and off knob, and this reservoir tank, it is connected to the rubber tubing, one which is connected to the air pump or air bladder, and to the air bladder there is a screw which we can open and which we can close. And this rubber, it has two rubber tubing. Second one is attached to this cuff or BP cuff, or this one is hollow BP cuff, and it is made of velcro material. By this instrument we can check the BP by the method of indirect method. So second instrument is, or this one is called as stethoscope, which we use during the indirect method of blood pressure checking. This is called stethoscope, and stethoscope, it has air plug, metallic stand, and this one is connected to the rubber tubing, and rubber tubing, it is connected to the whole thing is called bell, and forward it is called diaphragm, and this is one called chest piece. So BP apparatus or stethoscope, for the usages, by the usage of this apparatus, we can hear any body sound which is not audible to our ears. By this apparatus we can hear clearly all the body sounds, like heart sound or lung sounds, or within the body there are many sounds which we can hear by this instrument. And next instrument is digital BP apparatus, commonly which today we mostly in hospitals or easy method, which this one is digital the digital apparatus, and it has simply a cuff which is attached to this instrument, and above there is a display scale which shows systolic blood pressure, diastolic blood pressure, and pulse rate. Simply we had this battery inserted in this apparatus, and we have to plug this cuff to this instrument. By wrapping this cuff to the foam arm of the patient, just start the start button, and while seeing to the display scale, it shows systolic pressure, and second one is diastolic pressure. So this one is these are the three instruments by which can check the blood pressure of a patient. So if you like my video, like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.